Hey guys, Syn here with another episode of What's My Blank. Been forever since I said that phrase. Been like 5 weeks since I've been gone. And honestly, a lot of things were happening, you know. I've been home for the most part. I've been trying to get a lot of the items online. I think last item I got was week 6. To get anything from Supreme, and here we are. But this time I do have something for you guys that's outside of Supreme. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I didn't transition because I couldn't get Supreme. Palace dropped their item for week 1 last week. I'm looking at some of the items dropped. They had some dope stuff, so I decided to get them. I do have Supreme stuff that I did catch, but I just haven't been filming it, so hopefully I'll be able to get one relatively quick, and I'll film kind of like all the items that I got throughout the weeks that I missed. So stand by for that, but for now let's open up this and see what I got. Here I got 2 items from Palace. I almost said Supreme. I'm so used to saying Supreme. But I got the Pealed Hoodie. I debated on this so long, but it was so dope design with camo, so I had to go for it. And in this box, I got a Jamaica can. So let's go ahead and open this one first. I didn't expect it to come in 2 different packaging. I don't know why they did that. This one came in a separate box, and all it is, and I thought this was a beer. I was like, there's no way Palace Lager. And this one particularly was a Palace Jamaica. They had a bunch of other countries one, but actually it's not a real beer, obviously. Don't be like me, stupid. But it opens up from the top, and pretty much it's just a container, and you can store, you know, stash. I'll just leave it at that. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Probably gonna be a decorative piece for me, but I figure, hey, I'll get this since it dropped. I didn't want to go crazy with getting every single one of them, so I just got one, and I chose the Jamaica black one. But besides that, I did get, again, the Pealed Hoodie in size medium, so let's go ahead and open it up. But before we do that, there's a packaging Palace on the back, and then kind of like a see-through on the front. Open this up, and here we have the Palace hoodie. And right off the bat in the front, you see that there's a click button here in the hoodie. So this is something new. I guess I've never really seen this kind of hoodie, but that's nice if you don't want to have too much on your neck. And then in the front you have the Palace logo, and inside tag has Palace and size medium. And as always, the sizing and material for Palace, it looks the same. It is pretty heavy duty, so it's pretty nice. You take a look in the back, we have the Palace logo, and again the Tri-Ferg logo, and there's nothing else really standing out from just outside of that logo and camo print. So they had other camo. I decided to go with the white and gray. I didn't want to go crazy with the camo. I decided to go with the white one instead. Not gonna lie, I went back and looked at the phone for the 3 colorways because I couldn't remember. I know I got this, but there was 2 other colorway, which was the desert one, and there was the blue one. It was like a sky blue, baby blue colorway with camo. And not gonna lie, that was the one that I wanted. I actually went for the blue one first, so I don't even know how I forgot it. But that sold out, and then I went for this. Thankfully, Palace is not as competitive and as quick as of a sellout like Supreme. So I was able to go back, delete the blue hoodie, and then put this in, and then I checked out. That being said, let me put this on, give you guys on fit and the sizing of it, and then we'll wrap it up.